Hey, did you know that cooking and romance can be a scientific equation? Focusing on the brain, in chemical terms, cooking and romance are connected because the reward hormones you experience from loving or being loved and satisfying hunger by eating are the same. Dopamine and norepinephrine. I don't know if I pronounced that out. It makes us feel good. And cooking at home also gives you a much greater control over the portions and the ingredients, which can help you healthy and in shape. When you feel good about yourself and your body, it is much easier to be affectionate and intimate with your partner, which keeps your bond strong. One of the simplest date nights is simply enjoying a meal together, but you can make it more fun and more romantic by cooking the meal you're going to share. So for today's challenge in the 28-day relationship challenge is to get into the kitchen, pop some bubbly, and good cooking, good looking.